Hey guys, today I'll show you how to create a stunning parallel universe using the mirror effect. Let's dive in. With your clip in the timeline, go to the Effects panel. Under Effects, find Adjustment Clip, then drag and place it on Video Layer 2. In the Effects library, go to OpenFX, search for the mirror effect, then drag and drop it onto the adjustment clip on your timeline. Then, go to the Inspector panel and drag the angle all the way to -90 degrees. This will create a mirrored effect on your clip. Next, I will slightly adjust the Y position, which creates a more realistic effect. You can also check out the other options for mirror placements. The rosette effect creates a symmetrical pattern resembling a flower or rosette. It mirrors and repeats the image in a circular or radial arrangement, giving a petal-like or starburst effect. Then we have the kaleidoscope effect, which mirrors the image multiple times, creating a complex fractal-like pattern that resembles the view through a kaleidoscope. Let's add some lights to enhance the realism. Go to OpenFX, search for light rays, and drag it onto the adjustment clip. Then, increase the threshold to adjust the intensity of the light effect. And that's it. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss any future tutorials.